Home remedies for malaria. Malaria is a mosquito-borne disease. It is a deadly disease. In severe cases, it may lead to death. Malaria is caused by the parasites which are transmitted by the bite of female Anopheles mosquito. The severity of the disease is based on the species of the Plasmodium. Malaria is preventable and curable if diagnosed early. Malaria can be prevented by protecting yourself from mosquito bites. Malaria can be treated with some home remedies. Here in this video we provide you some effective home remedies to prevent malaria. Cinnamon. Cinnamon has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, which helps in dealing with malaria symptoms. In a glass of hot water, add cinnamon, black pepper powder and honey. Consume it once or twice a day. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits are the immunity boosters. They are rich in vitamin C, which controls fever and prevents spread of the infection. Consume 2 to 3 glasses of juice of orange or grapefruit or lemon or sweet lime every day. Ginger. Ginger is known as anti-malarial medicine. Ginger has antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which relieves the pain and treat nausea. Boil ginger in water, add honey to the concoction and drink it twice a day. Basil leaves. Basil leaves has medicinal properties and it is herbal remedy for many diseases. They have the anti-malarial and antibacterial properties, which eases the inflammation and joint pains. The eugenol in basil eliminates the infection. You can add basil leaves to tea or you can consume 1 spoon of basil leaves juice mixed with black pepper. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar helps in reducing malaria fever. Dip a cloth in water mixed with apple cider vinegar and place it on the forehead for 10 minutes. Consume a glass of water with 1 spoon of apple cider vinegar to deal with nausea and vomiting. Fever nuts are the effective home remedy for malaria. They have anti-malarial and anti-inflammatory properties. Fever nuts reduce the body temperature and helps in treating malaria symptoms. The fever nut seeds has to be ingested with water. Fenugreek seeds. Malaria makes the person feel weak due to intermittent fever. Fenugreek seeds are the perfect remedy to combat weakness. They boost the immunity to fight against malaria parasites and offer a quick recovery from malaria. Soak the fenugreek seeds in water overnight and drink the water with an empty stomach. Garlic. Garlic contains the compounds which are effective in treating malaria. The compounds called disulfides occurs naturally in garlic are known to have antifungal, anti-cancer and antibacterial properties. Allicin, a cysteine protease inhibitor found in garlic extracts, has the ability to inhibit malaria infection. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like and share.